So today we're going to give you guys a sneak peek, first look at our official Cafe Elan Texas Tour limited edition. We really do not think that we're going to have any extra to put online just because of the engagement that we've gotten for our Texas tour. We are thinking we might be sold out of everything by the end of the tour, but if we do, we will go ahead and put up the rest for you guys online as usual. So let's get into this collection. We're so excited. If you didn't know, we're going to Texas. We're hitting Dallas, Austin, San Antonio, and then Houston. And it's just going to be one big Texas tour. So this is our official kind of menu that has all the items plus the price. We'll go ahead and get started. First off, we have this adorable tote which says Howdy. It's just this really cute bear with its Texas outfit, and actually this tote is going to be free if you purchase $100 or more for your order. You will get this tote for free. So definitely think about that. It's super cute, or you can purchase it and it is $14.99. We only have a limited amount for the freebies, so definitely you guys want to get in line early. Usually for our tours, people are showing up 3 to 4 hours before. Next up, another merch item we have is this bandana. It is so cute. It has our Lash logo on it, but also just the horses, the lucky horseshoe. The material is really nice, super luxe and soft. This is going to go to, well, while supplies last again, for each tour location. This is going to be free for each order while supplies last. So we definitely ordered a good amount of product for this tour, but just due to the amount of interest there is from when we post online, we're worried that we won't have enough items. So we are thinking they're going to sell out, but we did ration out all of the inventory into 4. So we will have everything at each city. It's just whether or not they sell out earlier or later in the day is going to be what you'll have to worry about. Okay, so next up we have our Lash bonder. It says, "Girls like me don't cry," based on the song, if you know that. And we have one in the no scent and milk scent. The milk scent people really love. They say it smells like the Asian candy, if you guys ever smelled that. And it just comes in this really cute foggy bottle with a black cap, while this one comes in clear bottle with a black cap. Our bonders are super popular. These ones are 15 ml, so a little bit bigger than your standard, but not too big. And yeah, that's going to be our 2 bonders for the tour. We also have 2 adhesives. This is going to be our Hot Babe and our Breezy Babe. Obviously, they're the Cowgirl edition. The inside are just our regular bottles, but these are one of our most popular glues, so we wanted to bring it on tour for you guys. Hot Babe is a bestseller. She's 1 to 2. Breezy Babe is also becoming a bestseller, and it is 0.3, so even faster than Hot Babe. Just limited edition packaging for those. We also have our Sweet Niblets anti-allergy gels. Our anti-allergy gels do really well on tour. You guys love them, I think, because you guys get to smell them, get the feel, ask more questions about them. So they always sell out. These are, again, non-scented and corn scented. So if you guys don't know how to use anti-allergy, definitely ask us and we'll explain it to you on tour. But these do go really fast and they are sealed, so definitely grab them if you want. We also have removers, of course. These are the Howdy and Rowdy removers. There is non-scented and then caramel scented. And these just look like this. Also is going to be sealed for you guys. So everything is going to be safe while it gets transported over to Texas. Our pink van with all of the supplies and setup is going to leave on the 12th. And then we are flying out on the 17th to start our whole tour the entire next week. Another thing that we have is our Milky Way Rodeo Lash Concentrate. These are a really cool design, still obviously with the Texas theme, but just kind of like a different vibe. There is mint scented and then lavender scented. So we just have a blue and a pink one, and these concentrates make 7 bottles. And this is also sealed, so again, everything will be safely transported to Texas for you guys. And then up next we have our Rock and Rodeo primers. We are doing, let's see, non-scented and honey scented for these. How cute are these cows? Everything is, of course, cow theme, cowboy theme, horse theme. And it smells so good. That one's the non-scented and it smells really good. It just smells clean, to be honest. And then this is the honey one. Honey's a really popular scent for us on tour as well. It just has a really sweet light scent to it, nothing too crazy. And these are the pump bottles that we are using for our primers now. Of course, we have to bring tiles for you guys. These sell out every single tour, so grab them quick if you want them. We have our little Howdy cowboy cow, and then we have our your Yi to my ha cactus ones. So just 2 for this tour, but definitely grab them quick. Our tiles always sell out. We have a super cool composition notebook. It's the first time we did a kind of a window to the actual thing, as you can see right there. It says Layer Alive, and you can put your name as well. It has our classic look inside, just with the orange interior, and it says it's high noon on the back. So really cute, super Texas. Then we are bringing 2 big boys with us. We have our satin big boys and our cashmere big boys. They will come in CC and decurl, but we wanted them to kind of look like vintage tapes. So it has this little kind of like album front, and then the inside is just like that. It's like a CD, and then the back is just like a tape. So this one's cashmere, pink is cashmere, and blue is going to be satin. And you guys have been loving satin lately, so we had to bring her on tour with us. Billie Jean and the Pink Rodeo, the album. We also have 4 tweezers we're bringing. They are going to be from our EO series. It's going to be E10, EO3, which are 2 very popular grabbing tweezers. And then we have EO6 curve isolation and EO9 straight isolation. So definitely grab these quick. We don't have too many tweezers. And if you want them in this super cute packaging, then go ahead and grab them. Last but not least, we have our color trays. You know we had to bring color trays for you guys. First off, we have the Mounty Cream Color Kitty Cat tray. This is a really pretty cream color. It has 10 to 17, and it is 0.05D. Then we have the Howdy Frog, which is going to be this true green color. Again, same thing, 10 to 17D. Then we have our Mounty Cow, which is going to be our brown, our dark brown color. Again, 0.05, 10 to 17D. And then we also have our Howdy Bear, and that is going to be our medium brown, again 10 to 15D, 0.05 for all of these. So we didn't bring the full color collection, we just brought colors that we felt really fit Texas's vibes, and those are going to be these 4. Again, we don't have too much of everything. Honestly, we probably under order. We just didn't expect to get the reaction we did when we dropped our Texas tour, but we have so many Texas girlies, and we're so excited to meet you guys. There's going to be free sticker sheet with every single purchase, as always. We're going to have goodies, cookies, most likely. We're also going to have 10 goodie bags for the first 10 customers. A lot of people ask us when they should start lining up. Again, usually people line up for our tours 3 to 4 hours before, but be safe, obviously. We know some people said they're going to line up at 3, 4 a.m., so just be safe, stay in your car until you see people maybe, and then go ahead and line up. We are going to be giving stamps to the first 10 whenever we arrive to set up, just to make sure that we keep track of who were the people, because we know we had issues with that in the past. And yeah, it's going to be really fun. We'll have a game so that you guys can get discount codes. But most importantly, if you want to line up to get everything, make sure you do so early. Make sure you do so if you want to get the goodie bag, and definitely grab the items you want, because we only have a set amount for each location, and we are thinking we're going to sell out of everything. So we're so excited. We love our Texas girls. We cannot wait to see you guys. This has been a long time coming. We're super proud of this collection. We are so excited to see Texas and check it out, and we'll see you guys so soon. So hope to see you there. If you're not in Texas, hopefully maybe we'll have some stuff for you guys left that we can put online, but if not, then we hope you guys just enjoy this video, enjoy looking at this collection, and don't worry, we'll be coming to a city near you hopefully soon. So thanks for watching, you guys, and we'll see you so soon. Bye!